RenchWorks is a great place for you to level up your MaintainX skills, learn from thought leaders and peers that are working on the same challenges and see what they're doing well and learn from best practices across industries, and get to meet some new folks, make new friends, and have a little fun while you're doing it.
My best experience here at RenchWorks has been the ability to network, not only amongst my peers and coworkers, but amongst other companies, the MaintainX staff.
When you attend an event like RenchWorks, you see the community that you're a part of by being a MaintainX customer, and you get to tap into literally centuries of wisdom and decades of experience that you can't find anywhere else.
You should definitely come to RenchWorks. It's a great way to network with the other industrial communities, what they're doing and processes they have in place. And it's just a good sharing of good techniques, best practices, and you really just learn a lot, and it helps you implement them across your company.